Alright, so hello everyone. It's me. I'm back. I guess I have to explain for not being able to post a video last week. That's because I was out of the country. I was actually, we visited Nagoya, Japan with family. And it was actually a very good trip. Highlights were being able to spend a little more time there, more than a few, spend around 5 days. Second is that I got to see cherry blossoms. It was actually pretty late. They said that this year's cherry blossoms were actually bloomed late, so it was it ended up to be a perfect time for us. And lastly, I was able to spend some time in their toy areas. Now, I just came back and finished the week, and now the thing is, I've been to Japan before. I've been to Tokyo and I've been to Osaka on 2 occasions, and Nagoya. So Nagoya is my third Japanese city, but it is my 4th time in Japan. Now, in the previous 3 times, in Tokyo I was able to go to Akihabara, but I wasn't able to check out some of their stores because there was so much, So I only checked out around 2 stores because I didn't have that much time. In Osaka, I didn't have that much time either because I was with family, so I was only able to explore 1 store, which is Bokon. I was still able to buy. Actually, I bought a nice figure there. It's Kamen Rider Mac and Ride Macker. In Akihabara, I bought Kamen Rider Force WCFs and the Band Presto minifigure. Now this what I have right now is actually a bigger haul than usual, and I was able to go to 2 stores, but it's basically what I needed. First was I was able to go to Mandarake and Nagoya. So Mandarake is a chain of stores within Japan where they sell different types of toys and collectibles. And I was able to go to Jungle Nagoya, which is also similar to Mandarake, and I got myself a lot of stuff, more than most. So the first thing that I got was actually, now also by the way, everything that I got is actually from one series, Kamen Rider Revise, but I did not get Kamen Rider Revi or Revise because I already have them. So what I got instead were the supporting characters and also other stuff. So let's start with what I first got from Kamen Rider for Kamen Rider Revise, and that is Kamen Rider Live. Now, Kamen Rider Live is actually the redeemed version of Kamen Rider Evil, who is actually the brother of Iki, or the character who played Kamen Rider Revi. So he is actually the brother who was given a different different driver, and he started out actually. Curiously, if you guys remember my earlier reviews about Kamen Rider Evil, here it is. If you remember Kamen Rider Evil, he is actually Kamen Rider Live, the redeemed version. So he started out as an antagonist who had an evil monster behind him, and when he got redeemed, he became Kamen Rider Live. So this is actually very special because this is the first time that I was able to get 2 versions of a character, and I got them at pretty much a good price. And so I got now I already have the brother, the redeemed version. So yes, as you can see for Kamen Rider Revise fans, yes, he's using the same stamp, the same bat genome, but he's now a redeemed version. So we will be going in deeper in our next videos, but basically just showing off my haul and comparison. So now I have to. Now another thing also that I got for in Nagoya is actually something I'm very, very happy with because I don't get to find them here also, is that Kamen Rider Jean. Kamen Rider Jean is the sister of Kamen Rider Revy and Kamen Rider Evil. Or, no, live, since he's live now. So, he is the sister. Kamen Rider Jean is actually my second female Kamen Rider because I was also able to get Kamen Rider Nadeshiko from Kamen Rider Force, which is my favorite Kamen Rider series. Well, next. And this is my second favorite one. So, I'm very happy that I was able to get the sisters. Now that leaves me with two more figures that I need to collect, but in the form of Kamen Rider Demons and Kamen Rider Aguilera. Kamen Rider Aguilera is one of their teams. She used to be Demon Vistamp who was redeemed. Unfortunately, I haven't seen a figure of this yet, but she has already been released. Kamen Rider Demons, honestly, I might not be able to get it because number one, I don't like the look and I don't like the character. So I might keep it with the siblings. So I won't have to get the father anymore in the siblings. So if you're gonna be looking at it, we've got Revy, who is the main rider. We've got his sister, Kamen Rider Jean, and his brother in both the evil or in the dark and the redeemed versions. So I was finally able to complete the Igarashi family, the Igarashi siblings. So I'm very excited with this. So with this, I now have 5 figures in the SH Figuarts line under the Kamen Rider Revise. So I have Kamen Rider Revy and Vice. Kamen Rider Revy and Vice, which is Revise, the Rex Genome. Then I have Kamen Rider Evil and Live, who's not the redeemed version. And I got Kamen Rider Jean. So basically, my lineup has increased. My lineup has really improved a lot. So, but what I bought in Nagoya are these two guys: Kamen Rider Live, Kamen Rider Jean. Now, aside from that, I also got other figures, but they're also part of the Kamen Revise line. And now, let me start with vinyl figures. Now, I was able to buy this in Toy-Con last year's Toy-Con, which is the stamp figure, the vinyl figure for Kamen Rider Revy, right? What I got in Nagoya was Kamen Rider Vice. Now, unfortunately, unlike Revy, it doesn't come with the tag anymore since I bought it here. But since I bought it in Japan, I'm keeping the tag. And I'm happy because I'm now finally able to complete them. Now there are 2 of them. So I have Kamen Rider Revy and Vice. It's always a pair. I've always wanted a pair. And this match, and another one that I bought also, is the vinyl figure of Kamen Rider Evil. Now, in a span of in a day, I was able to make myself a tiny Kamen Rider Evil shine because I was able to buy the helmet version, the Kamen Rider, and I was able to get this figure. It's from a brand called Sodo. Now there's a Kamen Rider collectible called Shodo, which is of higher, I guess, more detail, higher quality, and higher price. But for Sodo, it is actually an assembled figure wherein you put stickers and weapons, and I was able to get this for Kamen Rider Evil. So basically, I was able to build myself a small Kamen Rider Evil shrine, having the vinyl figure, the helmet, the bust helmet, small figure, and SH Figuarts. So all these Kamen Rider Evil stuff I bought all in Nagoya. These 3 I bought in Nagoya on top of the 2 SH Figuarts. So it's actually it's basically my most productive trip. It's actually a nice trip though. It wasn't a package tour. It was more or less do it yourself. It was on our pace. Well, depends on some of the tours that we joined in, but it was pretty. We were able to go around, and I was able to go around the toy areas, and it's not as the toy area is not as dense as Akihabara, which is perfect for me since I did have that much time. I just had the afternoon since that was my free time, and I was able to go to 2 stores, which turned out great purchase. So I'm just like, and then soon I'll be talking about these figures. Soon I'll be talking about all my other figures soon. But I'm just basically at this point showing what I got in Nagoya, and and it's funny that I got them all in Kamen Rider Revised. I was actually looking for other figures like for the Force series, but unfortunately, since it's a 2011 series, I basically getting some of them in the conditions aren't as nice. But at least this is still pretty recent. It is just 2 years in, so I still got some of those figures. Unfortunately, I didn't have that much space. If not, I would have bought the driver already, because the prices are really good. But then again, I'm pretty happy because my Kamen Rider Revised family is now getting bigger and bigger, and it's still it's my second favorite series, actually, next to Force. But I'm very happy because now Kamen Rider Revised has his brother and sister with him, and even his evil brother, so that he can fight around with and get themselves beaten up. Because this is also, if you can remember my other series, it's also a nice thing because I have the mini vinyl figures of Riva and Vice. Right, so now I have the big versions. It's so cool, right? So cool. I'm really so happy with this. And basically, just for now, I'm just sharing my Nagoya haul, my Kamen Rider Revised Nagoya haul, and so we'll be in our next videos. We'll be going into detail more about Kamen Rider Live. We'll go with Kamen Rider, and next will be Kamen Rider Gene, and also how Kamen Rider Live and Evil differentiate, and the similarities and the difference between those two guys. So I guess we might have to move our Heisei series, Heisei round 2 content for a bit, because I'm really excited to show them out, because it's Kamen Rider Revised. It's one of my favorite series. So again, thank you very much for taking the time. It's actually a little bit short. It's actually just showing my Nagoya haul, and I was very excited for the whole week to show this, and and I hope you guys like it. So for everybody who are Kamen Rider Revised fans, thank you very much, and everybody who's watching, thank you very much. I guess we have stay tuned for the next videos for other Kamen Rider Revised characters, and thank you for always watching, and have a great day, everybody. Thank you.